Hello YouTube, Dr. Evette here. Welcome back to my channel. This is a vlog. That's me in my vegetable garden, and I'm going to be doing a little bit of cleanup, me and my friend. So we're going to start out with the eggplant, move on to the okra, over to the cucumber, and then to Bert's experiment. I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Okay, moving on to the okra bed.
What you want?
It's done. I'm gonna leave the marigolds though because the marigolds look pretty. I didn't know if they would last so long. Ah, look at that. Look at this. Ah, okay. That didn't kill the video, it's still recording. What you doing? Prepping this bed. Just get some of the weeds out. Make it nice and good for next year. How much dirt you think it's going to take?
What?
To level these beds off next year.
I don't have to put no dirt in it.
we're gonna keep cleaning up these beds and we'll be back.
All things that are eternal, Lord, it pertains to you. So, Lord, it's how we love people, how we help people, how we give to people, service unto you, Lord. Those are the things that are eternal. So, Lord, I thank you, Lord, for that. I thank you for giving me a reminder. Dude,
Well, be
why
so
you need me for that one?
gotta get all these things. You know,
Pull the
once you
root
get-
and then pull that.
Not just pull it, because they just pop the little things that wrap themselves around. I don't know. We're not so successful with cucumber. Like
think-
we did, I think we got what 3 off of this bush.
Yeah, but I think we should do cucumber plants.
Cucumber plants. I think these were plants.
No, they
Yes,
don't
we did.
suppose.
Remember we bought
A
them from.
cucumber bush don't supposed to be going up like that.
Yeah, I know we bought it. I know it was a. Look at that. It wasn't even rooted good. It just popped right out.
But it might have been because it dried out. But I don't think they picked the roots up long. That one.
Yeah, that one's. I think this one gave us 1. I think all in all we got 3. We planted it in August. All in all we got 3. Yeah, August 1st is what this said. I think we got 3 or 4, so that's not
That
bad.
broccoli and that cabbage is right.
Yeah. August 1st, so I guess it did okay. Now this basil, I smell this basil. This basil smells amazing. I wonder if I leave it, will it, yeah, that's what I'm saying. At wintertime die, but will it come back? Because this almost feel like a basil tree. It's so thick at the root. But I'm gonna leave it just.
I don't think basil is seasonal. I don't think those things are seasonal. I think they come in.
Because I was wondering, do you think it'll come back next year? I could ask Google, but I think I'm gonna leave it just to see what happens. Like, leave it, let it dry out through the winter, and see in the spring with water and fertilization, does it come back? And if it does, then I'll know to stop pulling up the basil plants. It got a little bit black spot stuff on it, but. And then the spearmint in there is still alive. Here it is growing up the sideline. I smell it. So these are leaves in here. But the spearmint is still alive, even though these bushes right here are dead on it. But all of that that's under the ground, still alive. So I'm not gonna bother it, because perhaps the spearmint will come back, because some of it is still there. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Now let's see what Mert got going on with these potatoes that he buried in the ground. Okay, so Mert is digging, and I don't think you would have to dig that deep if the potatoes is in there. But if we're gonna grow potatoes in this bed, we need to go ahead and top it off a little bit more. And then I've seen videos where they say you add stuff. What's that?
Potato.
Acorn?
Potato.
You sure? Okay. He thinks this is a potato. Looks like a acorn to me, but maybe. What do you want me to open it with? Okay, I can't. You smash it, but smash it right here because the camera's on, so closer so you can see if it's a potato. Smash it. Bite it.
It's okay.
Bite it.
There you go right there.
It was a potato, so it was a baby potato.
Yeah. Inside.
Yeah. It was a baby golden potato.
One.
One.
And
He did his best.
well, I mean, I did my best.
You planted it?
I was trying to see if
Yeah.
it would do something. But it's okay.
That dirt is really moist down there. It's not as dry as it. Oh, yeah, that's right. I thought it might have been from the rain. Okay, so that was, oh, he found another one. Okay, so Mert's experiment of burying the potatoes would have, oh, I dropped it, would have worked, but we really didn't take care other than just watering it. I don't even think we put any fertilizer on it. We just wanted to see if it could be done, but now that we know, oh, I think I saw a potato. Now that we know, oh, you probably don't even know where you planted it. Oh, wait, you probably watered them. There they go. Okay, so he did. Look at that. They baby potatoes. One is about the size of my pinky, and you can't see how big they really are, but so, and there's worms. Oh, of course you know I don't like worms. So his experiment with putting potatoes in this last bed. So next year now we know what to do to get it right.
All I did was took the potatoes out of the.
I remember what you did and buried them. Yeah. Okay, so his experiment did work. Next year we just know to not throw any tomato leaves, any okra in there, because this was the catch-all bed, and everything we threw in there started to grow, which was interesting to see. And he would water it, but we did no fertilizer or nothing like that on this bed because we were supposed to fill this bed up for other things, and we just never got around to it. So we're going to do that this winter while potting soil is a little bit less in the winter. Fill it up and then be prepared to put flowers in it for early spring, and then let Mert try his potatoes again this coming year. Okay, eat what you grow, and happy gardening.